Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Leche Flan using Bear Brand milk. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your Anura molds. You'll want to lightly grease them to ensure easy removal later. Next, melt about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar in a pan over low heat until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Be careful not to burn it. Once melted, quickly pour the hot caramel into the bottom of your prepared Anura molds, tilting them to coat evenly. Now, let's create the creamy flan mixture. Carefully separate 10 egg yolks from their whites, placing the yolks in a large bowl. Discard the whites or save them for another recipe. To the egg yolks, add 1 can of Bear Brand evaporated milk and 1 can of condensed milk. Stir these together gently until well combined. Finish by adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma and flavor. To ensure a silky smooth texture, strain your flan mixture through a fine mesh sieve directly into the Anura molds that already contain the hardened caramel. This step removes any lumps or chalazi from the eggs. Cover each mold tightly with aluminum foil. Steam the flans over medium heat for 30 to 45 minutes, or until the custard is firm but still slightly jiggly in the center. Once steamed, remove the Anuras from the steamer and let them cool completely at room temperature. This prevents condensation from forming. After cooling, refrigerate your Leche Flan for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set perfectly and chill thoroughly. To serve, run a thin knife around the edges, invert onto a plate, and enjoy your homemade treat. Check the description for a link to a great e-reader and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.